In this video, I will show you how you can enable edge panels on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to enable edge panels on your Samsung phone, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Display. Under the Display settings, if you scroll down a bit, you will find the option for edge panels. Now just enable this toggle. And after you enable this toggle, you will find a small bar at the side of the screen. Now, if you swipe from the side of the screen, you will open the edge panel on your Samsung phone. Now, if you tap on the edit button, you will be able to add more apps to the edge panel, just like that. And if you want to add more pages to your edge panel, just go back to settings and tap on edge panel. Now just tap on panel apps, and from here just select the pages which you want to add. For example, I will select these pages. Now if I go to the home screen and if I open the edge panel, as you can see, I will find more panels in the edge panel, just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.